Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. In today's video, I will show you the same designs with multiple color options in luxurious soft Ghicha tussar material saree with a very beautifully crafted the mill print with a flower leaf designs like Lutera theme inspired designs in entire the body parts with minimalistic designs of this golden zari waves. Here you can see the dark navy blue color combination, first color. Second one is a light blue color combination. Third one is a darker magenta color combination. Fourth is a green color combination. And last, my personal favorite, the wine color combination with a light magenta color combination. Here you can see the my personal favorite color combination, the light magenta color combination. Very pretty color combination, not like a cherry blossom. It's a premium quality like a red wine color combination. Let me show you the one full look of this saree. Here you can see the dark navy blue color combination with a white and same little bit light color combination of this body with a dual shade of this entire the print with a white and light blue color combination for the highlighting purpose. Here you can see the closely with a slub effect in entire the body parts with a real slub in entire the body. It's like a Ghicha. Someone told slub and someone tell this Ghicha views. Here you can see the printed pallu with a big size leaf designs in entire the pallu parts. With the middle parts you receive the block print designs in entire the pallu with the same body color combination, resin thread tassels work. One very unique thing in this saree. Here you can see the front side and this is the back side. Both sides you receive the same designs, same depth of this color. The premium quality tussar Ghicha waves saree part. Here you can see the entire the body. The very unique designs, little bit pretty and very creative designs in entire the body with leaf designs with a very short and very minimalistic designs of this golden zari border in both sides of this saree. This saree you received just rupees 750, right? Just rupees 750 free shipping all over India. This 400 gram saree in just rupees 750 free shipping all over India. Cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Let me show you the printed pallu. Here you can see the printed small flower designs in entire the blouse part. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel, and must be follow our Instagram page. Daily we are launching different designs, affordable price point, and must be visit our website www.vastranand.in, and you can explore more than 4,500 plus designs, different element, different traditional and different color range in affordable price point. That's my guarantee, and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. Let me show you the last but not the least, and I will introduce the rest of color very quickly. Second color is a light sky color combination, same design, same fabric and same rate, 750 free shipping all over India. Here you can see brown color combination with a very unique different contrast wine color combination. This is some tassels part. Here you can see the dark green color combination, and last my personal favorite, the light wine color combination. Here you can see the very pretty color combination. If you had the glowing skin, then must be buy this product. My guarantee you love this product in affordable price, just rupees 750 free shipping all over India. Vastram Madi, Anandam Medi, buy now at vastranand.in.